A good edge router should feel controlled in your hands, match the job you are doing, and still have enough power when the cut gets tougher. Here are 5 strong options, ranked from the most limited to the best overall performer. We start with the lightest router in the group. Its biggest strength is its simple handling, so for trimming edges or doing smaller detail work, it feels much less tiring than a full-size machine. The high-speed range is useful for clean, controlled trimming, while the soft start system makes startup easier to manage. At only 3.3 pounds, it is also the easiest model here to move around, and that matters when you're working along narrow edges or making repeated passes. But this is also the least powerful router in the ranking. The 1 horsepower motor, half-inch collet, and 1-inch depth travel limit what you can reasonably ask from it. Compared with the models coming next, it is clearly more focused on lighter work than on demanding cuts. So if you mainly want a small, easy-to-control router for trimming and detail work, this one makes sense. If you want more flexibility without giving up the compact format, the next option is more interesting. Links to all the products in this review at the best available prices are in the description below the video. Next comes a compact router that gives you more power while staying very light. The important difference is that it feels like a more flexible everyday tool rather than something made mainly for light trimming. Its 1.25 horsepower motor is paired with a wide speed range, electronic speed control, and a rack and pinion depth adjustment system. In practice, that means you can better match the speed to the material and make fine depth changes without turning a simple setup into a long process. There are still limits. It only accepts 1/4 inch bits and does not have the built-in LED lighting found on the next compact model. It is also not the router I would choose for heavy cuts, where a larger full-size machine has a clear advantage. If you want low weight, smooth control, and a broad speed range, this is a very practical choice. But if visibility and a little more depth capacity matter to you, the next router edges ahead. If you're finding this comparison useful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now we reach the compact model that takes 3rd place overall. It is heavier than the previous 2, but that extra weight comes with a very practical feature set for controlled edge routing. The dual LED lights and clear subbase make the cutting area easier to see, which is useful when you are following an edge or trying to stop at an exact point. You also get variable speed, soft start, and microfine depth adjustment. Compared with the lighter Makita, it gives you slightly more depth travel and better built-in visibility. The trade-off is portability. At 5.5 pounds, it is noticeably heavier than the other compact routers, and the 1/4 inch collet still keeps it out of the same heavy-duty category as the final 2 models. If you want a compact router that balances power, control, and visibility, this is one of the strongest choices here. But for bigger bits and tougher routing jobs, moving to a full-size machine changes the picture completely. Second place goes to a much more serious fixed-based router. The jump in power is easy to understand. This is built for users who need more cutting capacity than a compact edge router can comfortably provide. The 1.75 horsepower motor, support for both 1/4 inch and half-inch bits, and 2-inch depth travel make it far better suited to demanding routing. The aluminium base, quick release motor latches, and microfine adjustment also give it the kind of solid, practical setup you expect from a larger shop tool. But there is one important limitation. It runs at a single 24,000 RPM speed. That makes it less adaptable than the number 1 model, especially when different bit sizes or materials call for more speed control, and at 8.7 pounds, this is clearly less convenient for light handheld trimming. If you mainly want power, durability, and compatibility with larger bits, this is a strong workhorse. If you also want that strength with broader speed control and even more capacity, the final router is the better all-around choice. At number 1 is the most capable router in this comparison. It is the heaviest model here, but it also gives you the highest power, the greatest depth travel, and the widest range of demanding jobs. The 2.25 horsepower motor gives it a clear advantage when the work gets tougher, while the 8,000 to 25,000 RPM variable speed range lets you adjust the machine far more precisely than the single speed runner-up. It also supports both collet sizes, adds constant response electronics, and includes microfine depth adjustment. Of course, all that capability comes with more size and weight. At 10.2 pounds, it is not the router you choose because you want the lightest tool for quick edge trimming. For small detail jobs, the compact models can simply feel easier and faster to handle. But if you want one router from this group with the strongest combination of power, bit compatibility, depth capacity, and speed control, this is the standout. It is the best fit for demanding users who would rather have extra capability available than hit the limits of a smaller machine. Check the links in the description to see the top-ranked routers and current buying options. And if this comparison helped you choose, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical product reviews.